What's going on, YouTube? You know who it is. It's your boy Shrek, and we're back with another video. So today I'm only doing a little like a day in the life of a Saturday, kind of. Got some maintenance on the truck, some repairs, and I decided to bring you guys along. Wanted to have a little bit of fun with the camera. I'm getting a new camera set up for more of a daily vlogs. Let me set you guys down a little bit while I move this stuff around. As I'm saying, I do have a new camera setup coming. I'm doing more of the vlogs for like personal purpose, personal satisfaction, just because I want to document more of, like I said, I want to document more of what I'm doing day to day, just for personal and family, and just to keep it on the channel, you know, just so we can look back later. Did I just break my tripod? I think I did. Anyways, just to keep for personal use or personal memories, I guess you want to call it, just so we can have something to look at. Anyways, we do have service on the truck. I have an oil change, service, oil change, fuel filters, all the good jazz. We do have to grease it. We have to do an inspection. It has check engine light. I will be doing compression test and as much diagnostics and troubleshooting as possible on it for that check engine light. I will also be repairing some lights on this trailer that went out, I believe. They hit some lights on the other side, so I'm going to be fixing that. They did say they have that circle one out, but I don't think I have anything to go up there, a ladder high enough. Regardless, we'll see what we got. I did start off the video with a little bit of drone shots, just trying to have fun, use it more because I've only used it for like 2-3 videos. So with that being said, I've been throwing you guys on the head mount, so let's go.
I don't even know where to start with health insurance. Do I just like call the hospital? We can't afford it. Yes, I work with health insurance companies.
We only get one light like this.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so we went ahead and finished all the work that we were supposed to do on this truck. Unfortunately, I just checked the GoPro right now and I noticed that the battery was dead. So I don't know how much I was able to record, what I didn't record, but I tried to put together as much as possible. That was basically just a full 4 hours of work on a truck, compressed into, it's probably gonna be like about 5 to 10 minutes of video or film. Anyways, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Like I said, I'm just trying to get a little content out and practice my skills, editing skills, recording skills, film skills, creative skills, whatever you want to call them. With that being said, guys, thank you guys for the support so far. Really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. If you're on the road, wait, how do I always say it? All right, if you're on the road, be safe. If you're at home, enjoy time with your family. Till next one, thanks, peace.